Do so now or you will be arrested.
I just talked
Get
to
out of the street.
your sergeant just told me I can be here.
I told her as long as they stay out of our way.
You're in my personal bubble though. Okay, and it makes me uncomfortable. I have weapons on me that are within hands reach.
You're escalating and you're raising your voice. You've been aggressive since the beginning.
Back away from me.
Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub. If you are new at the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for watching daily amazing videos to get knowledge about the law. Tonight we've got a tense public encounter, officers, auditors, and an alleged wrong car weapon call. Watch the body cam, commands, high-pressure language, and a citizen pushed to the edge. We'll break down what's lawful, what's not, and which moments you should screenshot. This one gets raw fast.
Get out of the street.
What's your name real quick?
Officer Myers, 6181.
I'm recording you on purpose.
That's fine, get out of the street.
I'm recording you specifically on purpose.
What I fucking tell you, I told you I fucking
Let's say we're standing like between the cop cars. Since you guys are standing there, right? And the cars are here, are we cool to stand there and just like, not like be up on you, but just like in the median?
But it's not illegal for us to stand in the middle right here at this time?
Since the cars are here, you guys...
so as long as you guys are cognizant of that, if we need emergency medical attention.
And if you guys gotta go hands-on or whatever the case, you know, medical pulls up, we'll get out, but we respect that.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
I already told you, get out of the street.
Is that a lawful order?
Yep.
It is?
Get out of the street. You're a pedestrian in a roadway.
It's a lawful order?
Pedestrian in a roadway. I need you to get out of the street.
What would be the crime, though?
Do so now or you will be arrested.
I just talked to your sergeant just told me I can be here. Why do you think I'm back? Yeah. We just had a conversation with the sergeant. He said we can stand here.
Okay, I'm going to double check.
Yeah, go ahead and double check, lady. Man, this lady is a bitch.
Go get that conversation.
I told her as long as they stay out of our way.
He's not. He's totally in my way.
Just stay out of her way, that's all I
I'm not in her way.
Okay.
You're in my personal bubble though. Okay, and it makes me uncomfortable. I have weapons on me that are within hands reach.
You're escalating and you're raising your voice. You've been aggressive since the beginning.
Back away from me.
Is it illegal? I'm not. Is there a crime scene? I'm not interfering with anything.
No, but you are in my area. I need you to back away. You're
within
hands.
Because you gave me a lawful. What's the law?
You're within hands reach of my weapons, and I need you to back up.
I'll talk to you.
And by the way, she's the only one I've ever had issues with going down.
No.
Lady right here, Myers wants to arrest me here. Nice try, lady. Myers tried to arrest me.
Right. We respect that. Right. We respect that, but it like about a year ago, like I said, a year ago, she used my government name, said where I worked, and she knew what she was doing.
Pause here. Critical legal check. Officers can issue lawful orders when there's a safety or traffic risk, but they must articulate why an order is required. Get out of the street can be lawful if the person is creating a safety hazard. But selective enforcement matters. The clip shows inconsistent treatment of people standing in the same place. Who is being protected and who's being singled out? Tell us in the comments. Would you comply, or would you record and stand your ground?
No, 100%, we respect that, but like about a year ago. Like I said, a year ago, she used my government name, said where I work, and she knew what she was doing because she knows I post my interactions on YouTube. Simple as that. And I do need her business card now because I will be filing a complaint. Nothing for you. If I can just say hey, why are you videoing her?
Because she's a bitch, that's why.
Why? I'm curious.
Oh, because she was talking a whole bunch of shit to my girlfriend a while ago, and then she's trying to give me unlawful orders and saying she's going to arrest me. And her sergeant basically told her to kick rocks, so she's just being a bitch, that's why.
Shout out to the Denver Metro Audit guys, right here, the one and only.
Hey, you telling the story about Myers? That's why I was recording her specifically, because she's a bitch, and wait till you see the video. She was, I guess she was rude to Sweet Tea, right? Is that what happened? Oh, you got her card? Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. I'll go to you. Hey, be safe. If y'all need anything, let me know.
Yes, sir.
I support it, so.
Hey!
Still a bitch.
I know. Yeah.
Hey, Myers. How come that guy was allowed to stand right next to you? I thought you couldn't have anyone next to your gun like that.
You're within hands reach of my weapons, and I need you to back up.
Remember what you told me? It's just me because I got a camera, or what? And because you're so rude to my girlfriend last time you talked to her? How come you weren't going to arrest that guy for being on the street?
Get out of the street.
Is that a lawful order?
Yep.
It is?
Get out of the street. You're
What's
a pedestrian in a roadway.
It's a lawful order?
Pedestrian in a roadway. I need you to
What
get out
would
of
be
the street.
crime, though?
Do so now, or you will be arrested.
Remember when you said you're going to arrest me for being in the street, but that guy was cool, huh? Myers. I think you got pretty girl syndrome, Myers. You act like that because you're pretty and you're used to getting away with it. Hey, Myers. How come a man with popcorn can stand in the median, but I can't? Is there a reason for that? It's like selective persecution or what? Guys, if you have popcorn, you can stand in the median with the cops, but if you got a camera, you get arrested. Is that how it works, Myers? Just wondering about the law. You're the law enforcement officer, so you must know what you're doing. Just wondering. Just want to educate myself, that's all, Myers. If you have popcorn, does that mean you can get within arm's length of a police officer, ma'am? Is that how the law works? But if you have a camera, you can't get close? Just want to clarify for next time. I don't want to break the law, ma'am. Call her Popcorn Myers. That's your name. Popcorn Myers. Yeah, there's a reason why I'm recording you tonight. It's because of how rude you were to my girlfriend several months ago. You probably don't remember because you're rude to everyone. And you proved that when I walked up to you and you immediately threatened me with arrest. So that's why you're getting recorded tonight, Myers. Popcorn Myers.
Okay, yeah.
Did you want to give the people watching while you're calling her popcorn?
She said, I can't be within arm's length of her because her gun and she doesn't feel safe. And then like a few minutes later, some guy with popcorn is sitting like as close as I am to you guys, talking to her, totally fine. So that's why her name's Popcorn Myers. Oh, there she is. Popcorn Myers. There's Popcorn Myers, guys. Just as Bay Area Transparency would say, she's got pretty girl syndrome. So since she's pretty, she thinks she can act like that. It's funny because the only reason I'm recording her is because of how rude she was to Sweet Tea. And she proved how rude and tyrannical she is the second she made contact with me. Parking orders, saying I'm going to be arrested for standing where I'm standing right now, even though other people can come up and stand here right next to her, and it's perfectly fine. But if you got a camera, you can't. It's selective persecution. It says she's going to arrest me. That's the word she used. You will be under arrest if you don't get out of the street. So men with cameras, it's against the law, guys, to stand here. Hey, I wouldn't say too much. Don't talk that much, okay? Just letting you know, trying to help you out. Anything you say, like you know, they will use it against you. They're not your friends. They're here to build a case on you. That's it. Amen. No, Myers is the type of person that's going to hurt someone someday, big time.
Yep. Fully
She's
agree
got
with
that
that.
authoritarian tyrant type of attitude.
Listen to that. Listen to that. Perfect.
They're good with cutting us loose if you got everything you need.
So I didn't know his name, so I was like Chicken Little, and he was like, my name's
Just me, not Myers.
Aw, man.
I know.
breaking
You're
our
not, you're not as fun as Myers. You're less tyrannical, though.
You don't need us on here? No. Okay. I can knock it out. I got all the build it all, grab everything.
Get your foot on the brake. Hey man, you're littering though.
No dumpster out here.
Once you pick it up, that's yours, bro.
Better than being out in the middle of the street.
Are you talking shit to him?
No, he was talking shit to me. He said I put that down and I was littering.
Oh.
I was just moving out of the road so no one pushes their tires.
Oh. Where's that beer? Where's that beer bottle you dropped? You were drinking and driving? I need to see some ID. You got an ID? And insurance?
Oh man.
Hey, what's your name, bro?
What's up? Connor. Yep.
Connor Wallach?
Yep. Already
Hey
told
man,
you.
you got anything you should have in this vehicle?
Weapons, narcotics,
Weapons, yeah. Illicit drugs.
prostitutes.
Do you mind if we do a cursory search of the vehicle just for citizen safety?
Cursory.
Yeah.
Man, you got the vocab down and everything.
Yeah, man.
I've never said cursory in my life.
A couple YouTube videos I'm sure they watched.
Yeah. Nah,
Just for citizen safety. What about pat down? You mind if I just pat you down real quick, just to make
Yeah.
sure you got nothing illegal?
Nah, you guys are good.
we're
No?
heading out of here though.
All right, you don't consent?
I don't.
No, okay.
Hey,
That's
I
good, man.
appreciate-
Fourth
I
Amendment.
appreciate you working with my consent.
I can ask to violate your rights, but you don't have to give them up, right?
You don't violate if you consent to it.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. You don't consent, I can't violate them, right?
I get you.
Gotta honor my oath.
Okay.
All right, guys.
See you, man.
Later, man. That guy's running over bottles left and right, huh? What's up?
Why do you guys all film the same thing? Wouldn't you get better footage if you guys split up? And
We do. We split up. And we'll share each other's footage. and
it just
stuff
seems like you guys are following each other. It seems like you'd get more footage if you.
That's true. We do split
Split.
up temporarily, and then we come back just in case somebody's in trouble. I don't like him to get too far out of my range, you know.
Oh, so
Just
you-
in case something happens to
you
him.
keep an eye on him.
We keep an eye on each other, yeah. So he'll venture off. He got some stuff over there. I might borrow that from him, stuff like that. So
But they're two different channels.
yeah, we share footage, stuff like that. But hey, man, I just want to let you know, I think I like your demeanor. You're cool. The reason I was recording Myers is because how rude she was to my girlfriend several months ago, and then I came over here and she was threatening me with arrest for standing in that median.
Your girlfriend?
Yeah, my girlfriend. She does recording too, and she had an interaction with Myers, and she was really rude to her.
When was that?
How long ago was that?
Probably close to a year now.
About a year ago, yeah.
I was like,
And
guys, stand over here. That light's
Oh yeah,
gonna
here,
give me a migraine.
yeah. Let me just turn that off for you, bro. So, anyways, there was after she had threatened me with arrest, and I said, hey, I talked to you. You already said we could be here. Like 10 minutes later, there was some guy holding some popcorn, standing like right next to her, like this. Remember, she said I couldn't be within arm's reach. There was some guy right there, and I called her out on it. I was like, hey, man, how come you're not threatening him with arrest for standing in the median, right? So that's all, man. It's just like it can't be selective persecution, right? It has to be for everyone. So I appreciate you not discriminating against us because we have cameras. She just doesn't like it, and so, you know,
Yeah,
but you
I think
can't
it's
threaten
all
people with arrest for doing something if they're going to allow others to do it. That's all.
So what's your policy? Like this young lady doesn't want to be on your channel because of her job. She doesn't want it to get blasted.
This
What do you-
lady?
Yeah, what would you do for that?
Well, she's in public, so there's no
It doesn't
expectation
matter.
of privacy in public, right? I mean,
Yeah.
you know that. So.
I'm just wondering from, you know,
I typically try
humanity.
right. No, I'm not trying to deny people's humanity,
Yeah.
but like typically I'll try to keep people off if they don't want. Government
Can you
officials.
blur their face or something?
I have blurred people's faces before, but I usually don't do that because that kind of takes the point of what we're doing away. Because, like I said, cats versus United States. There's no expectation of privacy in public.
Yeah,
so
I understand that.
That's the kind of I mean, you know what we're doing, so
Yeah.
that's the whole point. And like, I don't go out of my way to record citizens. If I'm recording her, it's actually for her safety. I mean, you guys seem pretty decent, so I don't feel like you guys are going to be doing anything crazy, but that's what we do. We're just here to protect them. So
Yeah, and I understand, you know, filming us, and obviously I got no problem with that. I'm just wondering, when you have a citizen that says, you know what, man, I understand I'm in public, but I don't want to be on your channel, do you guys normally say okay, or?
if somebody says, hey, I don't want to be recorded, and we're just in public, I'll keep them off. But if they try to like start a conversation with me, then I'm recording because I document every interaction I have. So if I don't mind keeping them off if they don't want it, but a lot of times people come up, like walk up to me and say, hey, I don't want to be recorded. And I'm like, I wasn't even going to record you, but you came up to me, so you're talking to me now, so now I'm going to record you. But no, typically, like if I go into a government building, I'll specifically try to keep them off. If I do record them, it's usually inadvertently.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, sir. You get pulled over tonight. Can I see your license and registration? I smell alcohol coming from the vehicle. Yeah. Is that an open container right there, sir? You got any weapons in the vehicle?
Yep.
Yeah. Do you have a valid driver's license? Yeah.
Okay, driver's license, proof of insurance, registration, please.
The
You got
emergency
ID
brake's
on
on,
you?
bud.
I don't know where it's at.
It's down here. You see it right there?
Oh,
All right.
you're here.
So that shows signs of intoxication. Okay, so I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle here shortly. Alrighty, thank you for cooperating. Keep your hands where I can see them, okay? Good, thanks.
That's cool though. You guys didn't have it towed. You guys are just gonna leave it here? Yeah. That's right on. We like that.
She'll probably, a lot of times somebody will have like a friend come and pick it up or something like that because it's kind of not in a great spot.
Do you mind if we do a cursory search of the vehicle just for citizen safety?
Three legal
Yeah.
pillars.
You got the phone cap down and everything.
Reasonable,
Mind if I just pat you down
articulable
real quick?
suspicion
Yeah.
for
You got nothing
detention
illegal?
and
Nah, you
searches.
guys are good.
2.
We're getting out of here,
Fourth
though.
Amendment
Alright, you don't
protections
consent?
against unreasonable
don't.
seizures.
Oh, okay. I can ask
And
to violate
3.
your rights,
First
but you don't have
Amendment
to give
rights
them up,
to
right?
record in public. Officers
No
must
violate
clearly
if you consent to it.
articulate suspicion to
Exactly,
detain.
that's what I'm saying.
Citizens
You don't
may
consent,
refuse
I can't
consent
violate 'em,
searches,
right?
and public
Gotta honor my
photography is
oath.
generally protected. Practically, if you record, identify yourself calmly, ask whether you are free to leave, and do not physically interfere. Departments should train on consistent enforcement to avoid claims of selective persecution. If you found this scene as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping Cop Cam TV breakdowns.